Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to Ellie's World. Today we'll be doing a few science experiments. So let's get on with the video. So I will be seeing which one of these will react the best. And also, my brother is hiding somewhere in the background of my video. So you guys have to like if you find him. Okay, so first is a lava lamp. So first I have to put 3 drops of this. Is it open? I don't know. I don't think it's open. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is going to be a little hard. Look how it looks. Okay. 1 drop. 2 drops. 3 drops. Woo. And it looks kind of black, but it's actually blue. Now I think we have to put all of these in. Get the other one. Now what? What is it supposed to do? Am I supposed to shake it or something? Guys, this is kind of boring. Okay, I'm moving on to my next one. This is boring. Do I have to add more food coloring? I don't know. That one's boring. I'll check up on that one. Okay, guys, so this is my attempt number 2 to do the lava lamp one, because my last one was an epic fail. So first I'm going to put this one. Oh, some of the water got out. Okay, I'm waiting for the water to go down to the bottom. I don't know when that's going to be. Okay, we're getting there. Okay, now I'm going to put, oh my goodness, the lid's still on. I keep on forgetting to put the lid off for some reason, because I think the lid is this, but it's actually not. I mean, I think the thing I can squeeze out from here, but it's not. Okay. 1 drop. 2 drops. Oh, 3 drops. Okay. Yay. And now we have to put these little thingies in. I'm going to put 2. It's already exploding without the other one. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I can't get the other one out of the pack. You know what? Forget the pack, guys. Forget the pack. We're putting in the other one. Explode more. Okay, guys, so we are done. Look what my lava lamp is doing. This is so epic. Like, you guys see that, like, floating and floating and like, floating up. And I can see, like, all the different colors. Like, it's not different colors, but, like, they're mixing. This is so amazing. Okay, guys. So, I see one of the Mentos at the top. Oh, what are these? I don't know what they're called, so I'm going to call them Mentos, but a bigger Mentos. Anyway, next one, we will be doing this. So, apparently the thing's supposed to explode if we put the balloon on it, and then with this, and then we hurry up and flip it over. I don't know. I think, oh my goodness, it's balloon. I can't get it. Oh my goodness. I need help with this joint. Oh. Okay, guys, so we have baking soda in the balloon, and then we have vinegar in here. And I already told you guys, supposed to flip it over, and the balloon's gonna ding. I don't think this one is gonna work. I don't believe it, so we're just gonna try. Oh my goodness! I think we're gonna have a pop. I don't know. I don't know what's happening. I'm gonna set it down. Okay, I think this one is gonna be a success. Okay, guys. So it worked. And I still think it was supposed to pop. But, yeah. We're moving on to our last one is this, guys. If you guys haven't seen it, I'm going to put this one over here. Anyway, if you guys haven't seen it, it is the Mentos thing. So we're going to open the bottle. We're supposed to put 4 Mentos. Okay, I'm going to get 4 Mentos. Ah! My Mentos fell. That's okay, because we're not going to eat this. gonna drink this, guys. Okay, I got the cap right here. 1 Mentos, 2 Mentos. Okay, seems like we didn't need more. It flew up before I put all of them in. I'm just gonna put more in. Now I'm just like, that was literally crazy, y'all. I'm just gonna put those in. So what was supposed to happen? We were supposed to shake it up, and then it was supposed to explode, but that's not happening. It exploded way before it was supposed to. Okay, guys, so I have to vote now which one I thought was the best reaction. So, this one definitely nothing happened. This one was a little cool, it blew up. But I think that I like this one the most. It literally just blew up in my face. So I like this one the most, guys. Okay, guys, so if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and bye!